Hi guys, Matilda here. I am at Mixology's flagship venue, TT Liqueur in Shoreditch. Today we're going to show you how to make a non-alcoholic Bakewell Fizz, a drink that was inspired by the Bakewell tarts. We are using Lyres non-alcoholic amaretti and a cherry syrup to get that balance of almond and cherry just right. We hope you love it. The ingredients are in the description below, and here's Kay to show us how it's made.
Hi guys, it's Kay back here at TT Liqueur. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really special non-alcoholic version of our Bakewell Fizz, which is a really delicious drink, whether it's got alcohol in it or not. First thing I need is, of course, the bottom half of my shaker, ready to put all the ingredients in. And the first thing that I need for my alcohol-free Bakewell Fizz is some alcohol-free amaretto. So we've got this really beautiful amaretti by Lyres. This drink, I'm going to want 35 mils of my alcohol-free amaretto. So I've got this lovely Monin cherry syrup, and this is very sweet, so I don't want too much of it. I'm going to go with 10 mils of my cherry syrup. So I've got this nice cranberry juice made by Pago or Pargo, which make really good quality juices, perfect for use in cocktails. And I want 20 mils of my cranberry juice. All right, next thing going into my shaker is going to be some fresh lemon juice. I want about a shot of lemon juice, which should be about half a lemon. And pop my lemon in there. And there we go, that brings us perfectly up to 25 mils of our lemon juice, or one shot. Fill that shaker up with some cubed ice. Pop my tin on top. And we'll give that a nice shake for about 15 seconds like that. Fantastic. So that's the first part of my Bakewell Fizz done. So we're serving this in a tall glass, a highball. And the fizz in our Bakewell Fizz comes from some cream soda. Keeping it retro, this works really well with the other flavors in this drink. And put a little splash of this in the bottom of my glass. And then I'll strain the rest of my Bakewell Fizz over that soda. It's got this beautiful pink color. I'm going to fill this glass with some cubed ice. And then I'm just going to top it with a little bit of crushed. And for a garnish, I'll grab that other half of my lemon and just do myself a really nice lemon wheel, and we'll pop that in there. So that is our Bakewell Fizz ready to drink.